You're praying for healing, but what if the simplest step toward your healing has been right in front of you all along? Water. Most of us know we should drink more of it. Some of us have even heard the story of the doctor who helped heal over 3,000 prisoners with nothing but water. But knowing about water and knowing how to use it intentionally for healing are two very different things. That's where the Healing Water Challenge comes in. This is a guided 40-day plan designed to help your body reset naturally with no supplements, no medications, and no risk. You get a clear daily structure, a water tracker, reflection prompts, and teaching that removes the guesswork. Think of it as a mini 40-day workshop, simple, practical, and safe. And here's the truth. Drinking water improves everyone's health, even when it isn't the main issue. So whether water is the missing piece or simply the first step, your body still benefits. For less than the cost of a doctor's visit, you gain understanding, consistency, and a plan you can actually follow. No risk, no pressure, just a safe, natural step forward.